everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learning. In today's video we will see three functions I have already written here, that is average, concatenate and length function that is used in Excel. So let's see how this function works. Average returns the average of the arguments. Very simple, everyone knows what an average function is. Just type as an average number 1, give you a criteria 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, and you get the average of that particular range that we specify. Let's say an example, I will just type this as average. I will take the range, enter, and I get the average as 64.09. so let's see here, if you can see, the average is 64.09. okay, so this is how an average function works. Very simple, self-explanatory. We don't have much to do in it. Okay, so this is how an average function works. The next function is concatenate. This is very interesting and very simple as well. So what this function does, the concatenate function joins up to 255 text strings into one text. Okay, so this is what a concatenate function works. The join items can be a text, number, cell, reference, or a combination of those items. So let's see how this concatenate function works. Okay, so just type as concatenate, okay, text 1. So what I want is text 1 as vegetables, and comma, text 2 will be fruits. So how does it look? So look at this. It looks like vegetables, fruits, no comma, nothing, because we have not specified any condition here or any hyphen, dash, and value, nothing. So what we can do is, instead of this comma, what we can do is put an and, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, and just press enter. So what happened now here is, so if you can see, it has space in between vegetables, fruit. So instead of this space, what I can do is I can just type as and, hope it works. Sorry, no, I'll just put it this as dash. So look at this. This is how it looks like. So this is what a concatenate function does. A concatenate function joins up the text string into one text. So what we have done is we have joined two texts, that is vegetable and fruits, into one text. So vegetable dash fruits gives me one text. So this is how you can use the concatenate function. Instead of this, you can also use a very simple, instead of using concatenate, you can just use equals to sign, take this as vegetable and inverted comma, give this and fruits, enter, you get the same thing. Okay, so you can use either concatenate or directly use the cell reference and join the text string. So this is how a concatenate function works. Okay, so let's go to our next function, that is len. So what is a len? Len always count each character, whether single byte or double byte, as 1, no matter what the default language setting is. So len is nothing but the length of a string or a cell that we are specifying. So what a formula is given here is len and text. So let's see how this len and text function works. So equals to len and text. So I need this text, close the bracket, just enter. So it's giving me 122 characters. Okay, so the length of this particular cell is 122 characters. So if I say equals to len and I take this, so it will give me as 3. You can see this, it's giving me as 3. So this is nothing but a very simple and easy formula function, that is a len function. Len function always give you the count of that character. So concatenate, if I take this as concatenate, it will give me as 11. Okay, so this is how len function works. Okay, so hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great evening.